TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Yeah, follow me on TikTok. I'm a TikToker.
Hey, yo. Yo.
Hey, yo. Get my sideburns out. Been working hard on my sideburns.
People. Wait, I feel that body fuck. Wagwan. I put it on this time. Want to?
You know when you bite a spicy nugget and it's...
But you know when they breathe it make it worse, right?
You want to hold my breath?
You want to kill yourself. But
this is spicy.
mm-hmm.
Let's go, child. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Mm-hmm. It's been a while. And the post of them take on my channel. Well, somebody hacked my channel. Oh yeah, I don't know that go. So here's the boom, right? Like I'm not sleep. You see me? I wake up at about 9-10 o'clock there sometimes in the night.
You sleep, dog?
Mm-hmm.
So you couldn't even try to
forget the sauce. Yeah, so I see the book. I see the boots now and jump up. You know when I wake up out there, I sleep for like a good 2 minutes and go back to sleep. I wake up out and I sleep. I look on my phone. I saw a notification coming from Google say yo, an unauthorized device sign in for my account. So, but by the time Google realized what I go on, I don't get hacked already. You see me? But anyway, me see the notification. I'm like, so back down the phone and go back to sleep. So when I do that now, down in there about 1 o'clock, I wake up back. And it come back to my senses. So I say, what the fuck? Go to boost now and jump on my computer.
You hack back?
You
hack back into your account?
No, hack back no what? I'm still supposed to sign in. First thing I do, I check my YouTube. I check this channel, which is Yoshan. I'm not see no video uploaded, my name not changed, nothing. I'm like, and they do nothing. But then I remember say, I have 2 channels linked to the one Google account. So 2 channels with 1 email.
So if you log into one, you log into both?
Yeah, but the second account, the second channel, I just watch all kind of fucker on it. Like all kind of fucker. I don't watch nothing. I don't watch nothing specific. You see me? So stay subscribed now and I check that channel there. I check it. I see the name not change. Then I check videos. I see about 10 videos uploaded. Each video uploaded 1 minute apart. So I say, what the fuck? I'm not upload nothing for our channel, not that. So but first thing come to mind, delete the video them. So when me delete them, YouTube already strike the video them and all of that. So couple days after, I stay some books now and me I say yo, more I take on about this YouTube journey, so you know.
Yeah, get on your shit.
I need to get on my shit. So I was like, alright, let me go for me, check out the channel. I say, alright. I ain't gonna hold you, I know my channel dead cam and I post nothing, I ain't gonna lie. But I say yo, me go get back up with it. So that's when I went back on YouTube and I go hold a shower. So I usually watch TV, like play music out from the TV while I'm in the shower. So me I try to play one song and the song now play. It has a fetching account info error. So I click on the channel something up at the top and it has say yo tap the refresh. Press tap refresh. It's a channel error. This has to do with my main channel I was on. So I'm like, Also, I rise on my phone same time, dog, you see me? And I not see my channel on my phone. So I start get frustrated. I didn't even bother want beard. I not even bother want beard, dog. I tell you the truth.
Zozo.
Eh? What's that?
Says Zozo. No. Santi.
What that?
I forgot.
Oh, that guy is there, I forgot. What you after?
You're not going to son.
Oh, I know what you mean. Some boy, your hood slinger or something like that. I remember that. From bar game days. But yeah. Here's some snow. I take my phone and my sister, yo. My channel, it has my channel no exist. So I said, look, Claude, you take on my channel. So immediately I went to my email. I searched through my email, I see none notification from Google, none from YouTube. So I'm like, how the fuck my channel exist and them not notify me? Delete my channel and them not notify me. So I say, what the fuck? So I see some books now and start search to important. You know when you go in your Gmail, you have important and you have spam and it. So I start check all of them. And I see nothing and none of them. So I say, what the fuck? So I check trash. Going to trash now, I'm scrolling because I see them post it. I see them send me
Notification
say I upload video where breach them terms and conditions and this and that and this and that. So then I see one next email. Copyright, not copyright said. Some strikes it. In channel 3 times, 3 different emails. Then Google send on something, say them suspend my Google account. Due to me, remember say the channel monetized. So them video there where the people them post, they monetize the video as well. So them post it and monetize the video. So Google was like, this is spam, breach terms and conditions. This video, you feel me? This video is not good. So them shut down my Google account. So my Google account get shut down. YouTube channel get deleted. 2 of them. The out account and the main account. So now I'm go say whoops now on. I start get mad now, you know. Me email Google. I send in. Me email Google, them send more something. I say, I fill out one farm. I fill out the farm 3 times. The one farm fill it out 3 times. Them link me back and say nothing wrong with my account. My account active. So I'm like, it's not active. I can't sign into it. So I'm going to say, whoops, now I'm Google phone number. So I call them. I'm on the phone on hold for about 45 minutes now. No cap. And then somebody answer now. I was on hold. One girl answer. Me I call her girl. Because when she answer, she ask me what's my problem. So me I explain to her, I say my account get hacked. And I walk by my child, I say if you wanna give me back not even the alt account, I don't give a fuck. But I have a YouTube channel with 2,000 ads and I need for upload. So you see me? I need my channel back because that's where I upload content. That's where, you feel me? That's my priority. After me done rant and cuss about how my account get hacked and them delete my shit in a dog. Me depend hello? Hello? Girl not answer. I'm like, hello? It's not answer. I had to say hello like 5-6 times, brother. And then it's like the girl put on the phone. I have me there cuss and a rant about my channel, dog. Or she just muted it because I didn't hear her. None of the time I hear no background, nothing. So then the girl unmute and say hello. I say, did you hear anything I just said? She was like, this is not tech support, so I can't help you. Yo, I say yo, I tell her which part time I for going up. Yo, dog. Yo, I said even know more tell her which part time I say because suck. But you see you more about my channel. I have to just step on my big toe and just, you see me? I just know say, yeah man, I just saw it go. But then I stay as a book now and email them again and them send me a next email and say, yo, pull out the next one, man. So I'm pull it out 2 more times. And then on April 1st, them link me back and say, yo, but me tell you under thorough investigation. My account under thorough investigation to see what really going. And then down in the night, like at 6 o'clock, I never really night. They send me the email in the morning. And then down in the night, we get the email say, oh, my account has been reinstated or whatever they want, you know. Then give me back.
Oh, that's valid.
With
With all the videos too?
everything.
Oh, yeah, I thought I forget y'all. In the comments. I remember a couple words, you know. Curious cunt. Yeah. That's what I remember.
So we're gonna shut up part few. Second version. For the accent.
What the guy needs people her.
Cause man, I like the Guyanese people them really fuck with the accent challenge. They've been on this nigga skin.
We gotta do more other challenges too, like other shit other than the accent. Like what Jamaicans is do, like
Shit we do different from, you know.
yeah, like simple shit.
You fuck up your burger already, dog?
I fuck up everything. What's wrong with you? Let me play
This
with
leaf
that
look
food.
like lettuce, you know. This look like piece of leaf.
I throw it away.
Yeah, that's the way?
Yeah, I took that
Yeah, man,
shit
this
out.
look like piece of leaf.
And the tomato, whatever them call it.
Piece of leaf, brother.
Look at the bacon. Look at the bacon. The bacon look like raw. Look how it's wrong now.
Yeah, man, I show you. Why 2-4?
Like a rat.
Will it focus? It not focus. But whatever. Then shape it look like one heart still. Fuck it up. No, I didn't tomato though. Mr. Brother still need to start him channel now.
I'm about to. I don't know what's gonna be my first video though.
How much years me I tell you to start the YouTube channel? You
Like
started
6.
it, but you ain't.
Post not one video. Actually no. I had started one at first and posted straight Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Like some gamer. I ain't no gamer. And then I delete that shit.
And then when we was doing paintballing,
Created that shit.
we created it again.
Made a whole video.
Made a whole video.
Actually like 3 videos.
Edit them. Still ain't posted it.
I don't know if I have y'all support, bro.
But I have the support now.
I ain't ready yet. I'm ready to be famous, man. Start saying. No, for real though, like once I create my video, my YouTube channel, it's over. At least like once every week, I need to post a video.
One video a week.
One video a week. That's valid. That's enough.
That me I aim for.
One video a week. And if y'all like want to see more videos and stuff like that, I go live on like Instagram and stuff like that. So just follow the gram and tune in on the live. The live be jumping. It should be funny as hell. Like come.
For real. Or sometimes when I go live, I just sing that live.
Like 2 hours not knowing. But yeah, jump.
But I was just do it. Heal him up and make him know them I'm there and just put the phone down and just watch it. Sometimes I'm gonna play all.
It be being weird. See, like some of y'all be coming in the live just staring. Like, why y'all staring at me? It's not a staring competition. Stop staring. Say hi, say something, say yo. Like, stop being weird.
Why you being weird to me?
You don't want to join my life. Like, do you have a wristband? Then you can't.
You can't come in.
Nah, but for real. But join my life. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is. God, I don't know it out my head. So GT, no capital, _ B as in boy, AI dot
B as in breast.
Neymar. Alright. That's my name.
B as in breast.
By the time this video drop, I'm gonna see at least 3 followers a day.
What's the by time just drop? It's all the job tonight.
3 followers.
A lot of them on this one.
And then Twitch. I created a Twitch account, you know.
Oh, you gonna start going live on Twitch?
Where I'm gonna start going live on that shit like that. TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Yeah, follow me on TikTok. I'm a TikToker.
Hey, yo! Yo!
Hey, yo!
Yo, this man just said me that.
Yo, oh, my TikTok name, right?
For like dog pan TikTok.
Word, I'll be doing TikToks.
Hey, yo!
No.
You
know what I mean, bro.
Just stop that, brother. Here. Just look at this one. And Uno, but if I tell Uno over yourself to subscribe, you see me? All of it just drop a like on the video. But if I go pressure on for subscribe, just drop a like.
They're so lazy.
Just one like.
But they're so lazy.
We ask for one like on the video.
The like button then. Let me see what the like button then. For talk my shit. Cause I don't understand how black people so lazy.
That's what I think. Just one like we ask for on the video, you see me? Yeah.
Bro, the like button literally there. Hey, so if y'all can't move your finger right there,
You see it?
catch y'all later.
Look more, just drop a like on the video and know it go.